Good afternoon, Pegasus students. I hope that you're all having a nice day so far. Today in class, I would like you to continue working on your research and making your citations in Noodle Tools. Remember, all research and Noodle Tools citations are due on Friday. You will have all of today's class and half of tomorrow's class to work on these. So make the best use of your time. The summary portion of this project is going to be extra credit. If you don't plan on writing a summary and plan to use your time instead for research and Noodle Tools today, then you can stop watching right now. If you do plan on writing a summary, continue watching for important directions. So, the first thing that you'll need to do is go to Google Classroom and open up the document titled How to Write a Summary. A good summary includes the most important ideas from the text that you used in your research. It includes only information from text. Do not add your own background knowledge, inferences, or opinions. A good summary is written in the writer's own words, meaning that they've paraphrased information from text and not included quotations. A good summary is also written in the third person. That means no I statements. So, the first step for writing a summary of your research is to write one sentence to introduce your topic. Once you've done that, you want to go through each of your note cards and write one sentence to sum each note card up. Let's take a look at some examples here. So this note card is answering the question, what is a catapult? Take a look at the 3 bullets. How would you sum up this information? A good summary sentence would look like this. The catapult is a type of ancient siege machine that could shoot arrows or large heavy objects far distances by using a hurling arm released by a pulled cord. Let's try another one. This research card answers the question, how did the catapult change over time? Take a look at the bullets. How would you sum up this information? A good summary sentence here would look like this. Over time, 2 main catapults were developed, a double-armed machine to shoot arrows and a single-armed machine to hurl objects. Once you've had a chance to go through this process for each of your note cards, summing it up, then you're ready for step 3. Step 3 is to organize your sentences by focus question or topic. So if you go to this next page here, my topic is the catapult. The introduction sentence I came up with is this. The catapult is an invention that had important historical uses and changed over time. Here are the 9 sentences I used to sum up my note cards. Now, as I look at my sentences, I notice that some of these sentences should probably be grouped together. For example, this sentence here talks about when the catapult was invented. This one here talks about where, and this one here talks about who invented it. I think that all of those facts belong together in my summary. The first sentence up here talks about what a catapult is. After I include that information, I might include more important information about catapults, such as what kinds of catapults existed, how they changed over time, how catapults were able to work, and why they were invented. This question here talks about how catapults might be used today. I would save this for my last sentence. So once you've had a chance to organize your sentences, then what you can do is put them in order to create a paragraph. Here's my summary paragraph. The catapult is an invention that had important historical uses and changed over time. First of all, the catapult was invented around 400 BCE. It was invented in Greece by a man named Dionysius the Elder. The catapult is a type of ancient siege machine that could shoot arrows or large heavy objects far distances by using a hurling arm released by a pulled cord. It was invented as a military weapon to destroy large castle walls. Over time, two main catapults were developed, a double-armed machine to shoot arrows and a single-armed machine to hurl objects. The Romans even changed the catapult by adding wheels. Some catapults used gravity as a way to hurl the object, while others used manpower. Today, catapults of all sizes are still used, but not to hurl large objects at castles anymore. So, if you're ready to begin working on your summary, what I'd like you to do is fill out this page here, writing a research summary worksheet. Include your name and your topic, come up with an introduction sentence, and then list the sentences to sum up your note cards. Once you've written these sentences, you can copy and paste them into your paragraph in a way that's organized and makes sense. When you're done with this assignment, you can share it with me on Google. This is also going to be due on Friday, and it will be worth extra credit on this research project. If you have questions, please come see me or send me an email, and I'm happy to answer them.